हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। आशा करता हूँ आप सब फिट फाइन और सेफ हैं, है ना। तो इस टाइम आप जरूर सोच रहे होंगे कि कैसे घर पे आप खुद को फिट रख सकते हैं। ऐसे कौन कौन से एक्सरसाइजेस हैं जो आपको घर पे एक बेहतर हेल्थ का आनंद दे सकता है। आपने प्लैंक एक्सरसाइज के जरूर नाम सुना होगा। ये बहुत ही कॉमन और पॉपुलर एक्सरसाइज है। तो आज के वीडियो में मैं प्लैंक एक्सरसाइजेस का कुछ वेरिएशंस लेकर आया हूँ जो आप आसानी से घर पे कर सकते हैं। तो बिना टाइम गवाए चलते हैं आज के सेशंस में। Let's move.
At first, do some quick stretch for your back and hip, which will be beneficial for next workout. So, this is our first plank hold. Keep your whole body in a straight line. Start from 30 seconds, go to 60 seconds, 3 set. Next is plank on elbow. Breathe normal, back straight, look forward. Start from 20 seconds, go up to 45 seconds, 3 set. Next is side plank hold. Focus on oblique. Elbow should be 90 degree with the ground. Start from 20 seconds to 45 seconds, 3 set. Reverse plank hold. Body at 45 degree angle with ground. Focus on back, hip. Start from 20 seconds to 45 seconds. Next is single leg elbow plank. Balance on one leg. Your breath should be normal. Keep your back straight. Next is side plank leg crunch. When flex your knee, exhale the breathe. Your back should be straight. This back view. 10 to 15 repetitions, 3 set, each side. Next is single leg reverse plank. Do not drop your hip while perform the exercise. Your breath should be normal. Start from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 3 set. Next is single leg reverse elbow plank. Do not drop your hip while perform. Next is side plank dip. Focus on external oblique, shoulder, lateral thigh. Slowly proceed. 4 to 8 repetition, 2 set. Each side. This is a back view. Next is rainbow plank. Do not lift your hip. Breathe normal. Start from 20 seconds to 45 seconds, 2 sets. Now this is our last and final exercise, Superman plank. Bring your arm and leg parallel to the ground. Start from 10 to 25 seconds, 3 set, alternate side. And hope you enjoy these plank variations. If you like such kinds of videos, stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Good day.